everyone, and welcome to my latest video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a carousel post inside of your Instagram account. So the carousel post will show up inside of your feed post, which is inside of your 9 square grid of your Instagram account. And what a carousel post does is it allows you to post multiple pages to one post, which could be an image or a video or a mixture of images and videos. And in this video, I'm going to actually show you how to create that for your Instagram account. So if this is something that you would like to learn a little bit more about, how to use Instagram and use it as a marketing tool for your business, then do feel free to try out my free Get Started with Instagram course, which I will put a link to underneath this video, or you'll see the link just up there in one of the cards. My name is Anita Wong, and hopefully this will be quite easy to follow. Do stop and start it and actually action it on your mobile phone as you go along. And if you have any questions whatsoever, then do drop them in the comments below this video and I will answer them as soon as I get notification. Okay, let's dive straight into my Instagram account. Okay, so here we are on my Instagram account. So do give me a follow at _Anita_Wong. And a carousel post looks like this. So if I click this one, which is a previous carousel post, you can see that I can swipe to the right and I can view lots of different pictures that come up. And also what happens is at the bottom, you'll notice that there are some little blue dots, and that tells you basically which carousel picture you're actually viewing at that particular time. So here you can see that if I swipe to the right, I can see all the different carousel pictures that are inside of this post. Now you can do this with a video as well. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have the pictures in your camera roll. So these could be either square or the Instagram portrait view. It can actually be horizontal as well, but if you would like it to look nice on your grid, then the best size format for Instagram is a square. Go ahead and click the plus button at the top right, and you want to do a normal post. So go ahead and click the post option. Now, what you need to make sure you do here to select multiple pictures or multiple videos is to click this little square, which is layered over another square. If you click that, it gives you the options to select multiple different pictures or videos or a mixture of both. So if I scroll up a little bit, you can see that it's automatically taken my first one. If I unhook that, then I can choose a multitude of different videos or pictures. So if I take this one, for instance, that will be the first one that I choose. Then I can go through and choose a video if I wanted to. As long as the video is under 1 minute, it will show up in your feed post without a problem. Then I could perhaps do another picture. So let's just do this one. And then I could perhaps, if I wanted to, do a completely separate video. Now you can do this as many times as you want, up to the maximum of 8 or 9. Then click next. And then what happens is each one of them you can individualize. So now that I've got this one, I can actually do a bit of editing to the pictures by clicking on the picture, and then I could click the magic tool at the top if I wanted to, which would adjust it, or I can choose one of the different filters available inside. I can also click the edit and I can do the adjust, I can do the brightness, contrast and structure. Now, if I'm happy with that, I can click done, and then I can move on to my video. So as you can see, if I click my video, I get an option to actually choose the cover if I want to. So I can use the slidey to choose a different cover. And I can also trim the video if I wanted to trim it into my carousel. Once you're happy again, you can add a filter if you wish to brighten up it. I'm going to click done. Again, I scroll to the next one. I do exactly the same, click on it, maybe give it a bit more brightness, click done, scroll to the next one, click on it again, choose a cover from the slidey if I want to, click done. And then all I need to do then is click next. Now my carousel is ready to go up. So then I would do my post. Hey, welcome to. Okay, so then what you would do is you'd go ahead and add all of your hashtags and any of the mentions that you want to do. So go ahead and add in your hashtags. Now, what I would suggest you do, because Instagram is actually giving a little bit of an organic push to carousel posts, I would add the carousel hashtag. So go ahead and grab the carousel hashtag from inside of the choices. So there you see you've got carousel and then you've got carousel post. So I would do both of those. Obviously, carousel also means that turning horsey thing that goes round in circles, but you can do a carousel post that will also help you go up. And you can also add carousel marketing or anything like that to do with your own choice, because when you're doing your hashtags should relate to the content of your images or your videos as well. So go ahead and add all of those in. I'm just going to pop a how-to video. Then all you have to do is click OK. Go down. If you want to tag people, you can tag them. If you want to tag a product, then you can tag a product. This type of design for carousel is really, really good when you're selling a product, because you can not only do the product, different images of the product, but you can also do the process that you created the product. And that also goes if you're a creator or somebody who creates craft or bespoke gifts, you can show them how that happened inside of your post. You can add a location if you are centralized to one location. If you're not centralized to one location and you can serve everybody, then I would put the country that you're in rather than the city or the town that you're in. Go ahead and share it to Twitter or Tumblr if you want to, or Facebook. Once you're happy, all you need to do is click share, and it will share that carousel post into your Instagram account. So just wait for that to upload. And then all I have to do is go to my account. And as you can see, you can identify the carousel post because it has the little square with the overlay like we found when we were doing the post originally. Click it and it's going to tell you how many you've got. So I've got 1 of 4. So that instantly tells you that there's a carousel. What some marketers do and what some people do on Instagram as well is they add a little arrow at the bottom right-hand side of the photo or video just to give that encouragement to keep swiping. And of course, you've got those 4 little dots underneath, and that will also tell you how many pictures or videos are in your carousel. So there's my first picture. Then I've got my video. Then I've got another picture. And then I've got another video. So it's a really good way of mixing up your content media inside of one individual post. And you've got so many different varieties that you can do with this. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this super quick video on how to do a carousel post. Like I said, the options inside of Instagram when you're using a carousel post are really limitless, because you can have a mixture of still images and you can have a mixture of videos, or you can have one or the other. And you can really use it as a way of attracting and converting your clients or your followers into your Instagram account. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget that if you've liked it, please give me the thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below this video. And if you want to learn more about using Instagram as a business tool, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so that you get notification of the next time I upload a video such as this, or I go live on my channel. Okay, like I said, my name's Anita Wong, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.